Now we are doing addition of unlike integers. As you can see here, 2 is with plus sign and 4 is with negative sign. Both the numbers having different sign. So these kind of integers are known as unlike integers. Same in the second part, I have taken 2 with negative sign, 4 with no sign. No sign means plus sign. So I have two numbers with opposite sign. Whenever you have these kind of integers, you will say both are unlike integers. Now we are going to add these integers. Let's see with the activity what would be the answer here. As I told you, negative stands for red and positive stands for pink. Now 2 is with plus sign. So I will take 2 pink because pink stands for plus sign. Minus 4. Minus means red. I will take 4 red. Now, what would be the answer? In the last one, we have just addition of like integers. Just we have to add. Now we have unlike integers. Now how will you add? This plus and minus will cancel out each other. This will make pair and it will become 0. It will give you result 0 because it is plus 1, it is minus 1. Plus 1 and minus 1, that would be 0. Okay, I hope you understood this, why I am going to make it 0. Suppose you have one thing, one pencil you have, and you have given one pencil to your friend. Then you have no pencil. 0 pencil you have now after giving pencil to your friend. Same in this case, plus 1 minus 1, that would result into 0. It will become 0. So now what is the result? You are left with 1, 2. You are left with 2 coins but with negative sign, and negative stands for like this, minus 2. As red stands for negative, so I am writing answer is minus 2. Same in this case, I have 2 with minus sign. Minus means red. I will put red coins here. Plus 4. 4 is with plus sign. So I will take 4 pink colors. Now, what would be the result when I am going to add these? Again, plus 1 and minus 1. It will result into 0. Plus 1 minus 1. Again comes out 0. So you are left with 2 with plus sign. So what are we doing here? In the last one we have done, whenever you have like integers, we will add the numbers. In this, observe the result. Whenever you have two unlike integers, you are going to subtract the integers. As you can see, 2 and minus 4. When you will subtract both, you are getting 2 with minus sign. We are just saying you have to subtract. Sign we will discuss later on. Just say 2 minus 4 is 2. And same here, 2, both are unlike, you are going to subtract, answer is 2. So now come to the result of sign. Which sign will come? As in this, 4 is bigger number with negative sign, so I will put negative sign in the answer. In this case, 4 and 2, which one is bigger? Again 4 is bigger, with which sign? Plus sign. So in answer I will put plus sign. So I have the result. Whenever you have unlike integers, you have to subtract the integers. And again, which sign will come? The sign with greater number will come at the end in the result. As you can see, 2 plus of minus 4 is minus 2. As you will subtract 4 minus 2, you will get 2. And I am putting minus sign because minus sign is with greater number.